Hey, welcome viewers, Cooper's Automotive, and we're working on a 2010 PT Cruiser today, 4-cylinder, and bing, check engine lights on. So got into it and I scanned the codes on it. Here's what I found. I've kind of pre-opted this thing a little bit, but let's pull my scanner out here. Get this door open so I don't crush my, oh, back up here a little bit. Go into pull codes on it, and there's what we found. P0456 evap system small leak. Customer said it ain't the gas cap. I said, okay. So that means we got to run some test. So from there, I went into functional test on this Modus Edge functional test. Go into it. We find the SC vent solenoid right there. We go into that, and we're going to go in the top here, and we're going to turn it on, which is going to seal the system, and we're going to smoke test it. Set the scanner down inside the car. Now, using this tool right here, guys said they want to, one guy's open a shop, want to know what tools we use. Well, this particular one is a Mr. Car Tool T110 smoke machine, and it runs off of battery power, and it has its own pump. Turn it on, turn your smoke on. Down here, don't have my light with me right now, but down here is a little Schrader valve that goes to the evap vent system right down here. Take the Schrader out with your Schrader tool, and this one, and it's reverse, it's left-hand thread. Take it out, grab it with your needle nose, put the smoke machine on it, and run it. This machine produces a lot of smoke. Went underneath the car, checking the hoses, the connections from front to rear, and I didn't see anything. Now let's see if we see anything back here yet. And let's let it build up some pressure. So pause the video. All right, so we built up some pressure there, and I hope that you can see without the light, with the light, the gas cap is bad, without a doubt. So we've got to order a gas cap and install that. I'll re-smoke test it, and let's see how this comes out. All right, I had to move the car over. I got the gas cap. The smoke machine's running. It's been running for about 15 minutes, and just left it pressurizing up our PT Cruiser. So coming back to our gas tank with our new gas cap. And I didn't record that part number for you, but it was aftermarket from Napa. And we've got no smoke coming out. The system is already sealed. So this is all we've got left to do here is come back inside, pulling up our scan tool right there. Let's exit out of this and turn this off. Let's go back, turn to normal state, going back. Let's go in here and clear the codes out. All right, so codes are cleared, smoke test and rechecked. We've got a fix. Now, once you disconnect your smoke tool there and you put your Schrader back in, make sure to put the green cap back on. That's a secondary seal in case the Schrader fails, so that you have that sealed. So there you have it, your code P0456 evap small leak on your 2010 Chrysler PT Cruiser. So that was an easy one. I appreciate you watching, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate all your views, all your comments, everything that you say. If you reply, I will reply back to you. Ask anything that you like. Thank you. See you soon.